Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hi-Fi Mate. Some cars with the middle speaker, if you use the original radio, at the same time you use the Android navigation. In that case, it have a noise.
Turn left. Turn left.
If you don't use the dual zone, for example, you just use the Apple CarPlay and navigation, it don't have these problems. So, to handle the noise problems, we offer two solutions. The first is to offer a small speaker as the GPS horn. It outputs the GPS sound. The other solution is to offer the middle speaker connector like this. Today I will show you the wire diagram for these two solutions one by one. You can see this small speaker connection diagram. Here a small speaker, right? And in the power cable, it have two groups connection like this. This one you can see, speaker in 2 connect speaker in 1, the white color connect together, and speaker R2 connect to speaker R1. This is default connections. That is for when your car don't have middle speaker. Okay, you need to connect like this. Now let me show you how to connect the speakers. First, we disconnect first speaker R2 here, this one, and speaker in 2 connect together. And here, speaker R1. Then this speaker in 1, just leave it alone, don't connect anything. And then you just install this GPS speaker, then will be fine. Your original middle speaker keep as default, then will be fine. Now, let me show you how to connect the middle speaker here. Now, speaker R2 connect to speaker in 2 like this. Okay, speaker R2 here. This connect to speaker R1 in the power cable. Here you can see like this. The same color, you can see. And speaker in 1 connect speaker in 2. Speaker in 1 and connect to speaker in 2 like this. Here like this, you can see. And then you can notice here, there's two groups. This is a black cable connector. It has 3 pins. Here, 3 pins. And this 2 cable is 2 pins. Because the OEM middle speaker, it has 2 types. One is 2 pins. The other one is 3 pins. So it designed 2 groups here. So when you transfer the cable for your middle speaker, for example, this one, I took as OEM middle speaker, right? You can take a look on the back. Take it out. You can see this is 2 pins, right? And then you just use 2 pins. Connect the OEM cable to here. And then these two pins connect to original middle speaker like this one, like this way. Then will be okay. And these three pins, just leave it alone. And then will be fine, like this. Some cars have the tweeter. Don't care about it. Just transfer the cables for the middle speaker, then will be okay. First of all, we disconnect the original middle speaker. You can see this is the original middle speaker connector. Connect to speaker in, the white color one. And then connect the speaker out to original middle speaker. That's fine. Now we make a summary. When your car don't have middle speaker, in that case, you just connect the cables as default connection, then will be okay. Default connection is the same color cable connect together, like this photo. When you use the dual functions, the GPS sound comes from front left speaker, and the music comes from the other speakers. The other case is when your car have the middle speaker. In that case, you need to connect the GPS speaker or the middle speaker like this two diagram. It will have no noise when you use the dual functions. But there's another case is that some friends have the middle speaker. We also offer the GPS speaker or the wire connections for the middle speaker, but they don't care this. They don't want to install these cables. In that case, please notice, you need to connect the cable as the default connections. If not, when you make the phone calls, there's no sound, because when you connect like this, the cables is not complete. The power cable is not a complete cable, so it will no sound when you make a phone call. Please notice. Okay, thank you very much.